My name is Mohammed Nashik. I am from Kerala. So actually, I was up to go to Chennai, but suddenly I found this I-Medita institution through internet. So it was very good, and it was like one of the top institution in ranked in 10th, below 10th. So I found this and I thought I should visit here, and then I visited here. Then the infrastructure on this institution, which keeps me motivated. So I thought I should start here. I should start here, and I joined here. Like the lab was 24. They told me that the lab is available for 24/7. So I concluded that I should join here, and I joined. And then I was in multi-track program. It contains CCNA routing and switching, CCNP routing and switching, and CCNA security. So that's the first part. And about the trainers part, what I should say, they are very excellent. They are very excellent in teaching, as well as they will motivate when you go down. And even if you ask some stupid questions, stupid, silly, small doubts, they will answer you. They will give a solution for you. So whenever you feel like you are not understanding anything, just ask with them. They are very good. They are very friendly. They are very good. No doubts about that. Then, yeah, out of 10, I should rate 9.5. Yeah, it is very good institution for the networking beginners. And yeah, that's it.